project iFastComp, Teófilo. This one, and you can use remote control. Are you ready?
Ready. Thanks to DigiCirc. Thanks to all of you to stay here, to invite you to come. I go to present you our proposal. It's intelligent bioremediation for fast composting. It's difficult to understand how the humanity can have as many waste in the crops, and this waste is not used properly. We think there are ways to take of these waste products of interest, and that's what I go to show you briefly. To get that in practice, I show you that our objective is to...
We cannot hear you, sorry. If you can close the mic.
Now you're using it?
Yes.
Okay. So I show you here that our objective is integrate the agricultural waste in circular economy to obtain high-value products. And for that we have two main parts. The bioreactor, a smart bioreactor, and then a system that we have already developed with our previous technology that is integrated biosensor, microbial biosensor with artificial intelligence. With these two components, we can control constantly what is happening in the bioreactor. And the results given because the biosensor and other sensor say us which the bioreactor needs to go in the direction that we are interested. For get this objective, we have already developed in the past three kinds of microbial biosensors. One measures the organic matter, BOD, another measures the toxicity in the samples, another one measures the total quantity of microorganisms in a sample. With these three parameters, and with another multi-parameter unit, we can control all the components that is happening in the bioreactor. So, if that we add the artificial intelligence that we are developing just now, in order to control all the system, we're going to have a robust, reliable, and replicable accelerator bioremediation process that always guarantee the same standardized output from the same input. And here in the bottom, I show you the prototype that we pass to third phase. We go to produce of this system. I have no time to explain properly, but it's the idea that we have. Doing that, we can obtain from one product A, say from orange, we can obtain different subproducts. For example, A3 only for the compost, A2 for the cattle food, or A1 for the human food industry. That is possible, and we can do in a real way. This technology, they have advantage of the actual biocomposting system, that they don't control properly the microorganisms, they don't control the analytical parameters. With all of that, we are sure that the customers will fulfill the expectations of the waste treatment, and that will be a market interesting for that. What will be the business circularity? We will have, if we do that, we put in the market, we will have new products, will be the reactor, the biosensor, the artificial intelligence, the reactives, but we also have services, renting the device, the maintenance, and finally also we are thinking to franchise the companies. Thank you.